Hello everyone, welcome to Power Electrics. Today we will discuss about some most important questions of chapter 6 of switchgear and protective devices. This video is helpful for the 6th semester diploma exam 2020 for electrical students and also helpful for those are preparing for competitive exams like SSC JEE, RRB JEE, UPPCL JEE and State Assistant Engineer exams. So, before watching this video, if you have not subscribed yet, then subscribe my channel and watch till end. शुरू करते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. द मोस्ट कॉमनली यूज्ड सिस्टम फॉर द प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ जनरेटर इज डैश. ऑप्शन ए वोल्टेज बैलेंस सिस्टम, ऑप्शन बी करंट बैलेंस सिस्टम, ऑप्शन सी सर्कुलेटिंग करंट सिस्टम एंड ऑप्शन डी नन ऑफ द अबव. द मोस्ट कॉमनली यूज्ड सिस्टम for the protection of a generator is circulating current system. So the correct answer is option C, circulating current system. Question number 2. Automatic protection is generally not provided for dash of an alternator. Option A field failure, option B armature, option C any of the above and option D none of the above. The automatic protection is generally not provided for the field failure of an alternator. Here the correct answer is option A. Question number 3. Earth relays have dash current settings. Option A higher, option B lower, option C medium and option D none of the above. The earth relays have lower current settings. So the correct answer is option B, lower. Question number 4. Dash relay is installed between main tank and conservator. Option A induction, option B distance, option C Bokus and option D IDMT. We all know that the Bokus relay is installed between main tank and conservator. So the correct answer is option C, Bokus relay. Question number 5. Bokus relay is a dash relay. Option A current actuated, option B gas actuated, option C temperature actuated and option D none of the above. The Bokus relay is a gas actuated relay. Here the correct answer is option B, gas actuated. Question number 6. Overload protection is generally not provided for dash. Option A alternators, option B DC generator, option C transformer and option D none of the above. The overload protection is generally not provided for alternators. Here the correct answer is option A, alternators. Question number 7. Bokus relay is installed between dash and conservator. We have already discussed earlier that Bokus relay is installed between main tank and conservator. So the correct answer is option A, main tank. Question number 8. Bokus relays can only be used with oil immersed transformers equipped with dash. Option A fuse, option B conservator, option C main tank and option D none of the above. The Bokus relay can only be used with oil immersed transformer equipped with conservator. So the correct answer is option B. Question number 9. Balanced earth fault protection is generally provided for dash generators. Option A small size, option B large size, option C moderate size and option D none of the above. The balanced earth fault protection is generally provided for small size generators. Here the correct answer is option A, small size. Question number 10. Bokus relays can detect false dash oil level in the transformer. Option A below, option B above, option C any of the above and option D none of the above. The Bokus relay can detect false below oil level in the transformer. The correct answer is option A, below. Question number 11. An earth fault current is generally dash than short circuit current. Option A greater, Option B less, option C medium, and option D none of the above. An earth fault current is generally less than short circuit current. The correct answer is option B less. Question number 12. Merge price circulating current principle is more suitable for dash than dash. Option A generators than transformers. Option B transformers than generators. Option C generators than motors. Option D none of the above. The merge price circulating current principle is more suitable for generators than transformers. Here the correct answer is option A generators, transformers. Question number 13. The most important stator winding fault of an alternator is dash fault. Option A phase to phase fault, option B interturn fault, option C earth fault, and option D none of the above. The most important stator winding fault of an alternator is earth fault. Hence, the correct answer is option C earth. Question number 14. Differential protection scheme for dash lines is very costly. Option A small, option B medium, option C longer, and option D none of the above. For longer lines, differential protection scheme is very costly. Here, the correct answer is option C longer. Question number 15. Differential protection scheme for longer lines is dash. Option A very costly, option B cheap, option C very cheap, and option D none of the above. As we have discussed earlier in last question, differential protection scheme for longer lines is very costly. Here the correct answer is option A very costly. Question number 16. The two most commonly used schemes for bus bar protections are dash and dash. Option A differential protection and time graded protection. Option B time graded protection and fault bus protection. Option C differential protection and fault bus protection. And option D none of the above. The two most commonly used schemes for bus bar protection are differential protection and fault bus protection. Here the correct answer is option C differential protection and fault bus protection.